So now it's super good that we can present this crazy new development here in Berlin at Fashion Week and really show off what we are capable of producing. We have the most advanced technologies in Portugal and make it available to every emerging designer that has some ambition in the game. Freezing cold. We're here for Fashion Week because there is the first Labwear piece on the runway. We're gonna check out the show Backstage. In the evening, we have the piece on the runway show. And we're gonna visit Ruben's Atelier and have a chat with him.
Did you touch the layer? Yes. Fuck, I didn't. Maybe you should do it pressure foot white, so then it's like, I did all of these. Did it also like that?
And here you can see it like it's the whole collection we did for the Runway. 24 pieces all together, collection confidential. So different colors, different fabrics, and for sure they're printed denim. But I'm also wearing it today. This is something which we did like first after the collection name was like finished. We did the sketches in-house. This is something we just need to change. This is the bag, which got created 1 or 2 days ago.
What's Narubi?
So I would say Narubi is my personal brand. Started from a rough idea during my time at the German Air Force. Just bought a sewing machine and now we're sitting here at the studio and working for the first runway show. The collection is named Confidential and we take a closer look at old silhouettes I was wearing back in the days.
What was it like designing a piece that will be realized with printed denim?
We are not able to wash the denim in the perfect way. We have not washing machines and everything, so we are really limited when it comes to using denim in a cool way. But the printed denim was like, so everything was open. You just need to design the parts on the laptop itself and do the sketches, and then we can do everything online. We don't need to use denim as an original way to make it like heavy workwear. We just try to do art, we just try to do cool stuff.
What has been your approach to manufacturing so far?
To be honest, I tried to outsource a couple of pieces at manufacturing, but it's like hard at the beginning, to be honest, to fulfill our MOQs. So I decided to do most everything like in-house so we can produce on demand. So there's no big money spent on production before.
And we're looking at timelines, for example, like what?
Really depends on the product, I would say. So when we do like hoodie, it's probably necessary to get them really quick, so 4 to 8 weeks. And for like bigger projects, maybe like a collection-wise, 3 months would be good.
And how do you think a manufacturer could empower and really help brands and designers?
The dream manufacturer could be something which is like a business partner, which is really close to the company itself, so that you are working together on a project.
There's one thing you could tell yourself before starting your first collection, after knowing all the stuff you know now after your fifth, what would it be?
I would say to myself, if I start again, just start as low as possible. So do everything in-house, create your styles in-house till you found like, I say so, cash cow, which is like really popping and people are really interested in. Don't expect to get the first collection like a big hit. This is a journey.
What can a designer or a brand owner actively do to contribute to a healthy and a sustainable fashion future?
So to be honest, like fashion itself is something which really tries to be sustainable, like a printed denim. We all know that it's like a really good way to produce a denim, but fashion and sustainability is something which is like always clashing each other. So if we really want to be sustainable, like 100%, we need to stop making clothes. But life is also about having fun, and then we try to do the approach as minimal as possible.
Tomorrow, people will walk on a runway show wearing the pieces you guys created. How does that feel?
This is like the most positive ending which a collection probably can have. So we created everything, we sketched everything, we did the prototypes in here, and tomorrow is like the final day where everything comes together. People, music, artists, and the fabrics, and then we are.
Not make it.
We've been out to a few fashion weeks over the past year, and I just came back from Paris. And when I came back to the office on Monday, I don't think I've ever been as pissed at what was so apparent now, that manufacturing is fully dictating the fashion calendar. As a designer, right now you're starting to sketch out Spring/Summer 26 collection designs, and then over the course of the next 5 to 6 months, you're going into multiple rounds of sampling for you to then show your collection in July at Fashion Week for it to hit the stores 6 to 9 months later. So you're working on 3 seasons at the same time. This timeline of manufacturing requiring 6 to 9 months is complete fucking bullshit. Because they have stock laying around, you have no idea of what is going on in fashion in a year's time. So that's what we're trying to change. Because when you change the way you manufacture, you can create a new system that really empowers today's fashion designer to be way more agile in how they create, sample, and produce their collections.
So this is Backstage. This is like a camera from the runway itself, so that we are like, the runway order is going to be here, right behind me. And then we're gonna send the models out and we need to take a look at the runway itself to make sure everything is like in the right direction and the range. And yeah, so I would say we do the runway together. I try my best. So this is like the first walk where the models like this. I'm too small, but I got the plateau boots to fake it. And this is like the mid section. Best light, best seats, picture point for the video and photographs, DJ, and a lot of people are going to sit here, standing behind, and then the runway goes further.
How does it feel to have like the first Labwear piece ever on a runway?
Super good. I mean, one step in the direction of our vision, right? I mean, we used to do a lot of like jersey, fleece products. Then we went into knitwear. So now it's the next step for us to go into denim and like cotton twill product. And we felt like, let's go not the usual way, but printed denim is so fucking cool. Like the design possibilities are crazy. So now it's super good that we can present this crazy new development here in Berlin at Fashion Week together with Ruben. Super cool designer, amazing talent, and really show off what we are capable of producing. We have the most advanced technologies in Portugal and make it available to every emerging designer that has some ambition in the game.
We did the test runway, hair and makeup, everything is like ready. And now we use the time in front of the show to do a lookbook shooting. So everyone is like here coming, set up in the whole collection. And then we do like just a couple of lookbook pictures, just to make sure we capture the right moment. So the music we are showcasing at the show, it's completely made for us from a DJ from Helsinki. His name is Oskari, and he did like an amazing job. He's crazy. We said like, okay, we need voiceover from Virgil Abloh, big inspiration myself. We need like military vibes because it's the confidential collection. Just make it Narubi, just make it cool, and he turned out amazing. I can't wait to show you the music, it's crazy.
Okay, so in the past we talked a lot about printed denim, but let's have a look at what it actually is. It was a denim piece wrapped in dry cleaning plastic. We took the pictures, we created the graphic, and then we print the graphic on the raw twill roll. We assemble it, and then you have the finished denim piece already. Here you see, for example, denim, and then kind of the plastic around, right? Here we printed the pocket on instead of doing an actual pocket. Kind of the feature I like most is this area. You really see like some fading effect in the denim here. The ripped dry cleaning plastic idea of Ruben. Just the best way to really show off printed denim, so.
appreciate. Highly appreciate. What's up, ladies and gents? We're here at Nairobi's fashion show. We have pretty ass motherfuckers looking at here. We are super grateful for everything that has been done so far and for everything that has been going on. I can't lie, this is my second show, so I'm more chill, more calm. But I can imagine that other people are, you know, kind of rushed because there are hella people down there. You're gonna see it all later. I'm super grateful that you tuned in. Run that shit and have fun.
To Mama. Okay, so running? Okay, so show's over. People are leaving and deeply thankful. It was an amazing show, many people. This is something I dreamed about and we all made it happen kind of, so I'm not doing this alone anymore. Yeah, what's next? I grab a burger now and go to bed. Thank you so much. That's next.
What do you want to know?
What is it like seeing a Labwear piece on the runway?
Addictive. I think we need to repeat it. Next fashion week, we're gonna come again. So any designer that is gonna host us, hit us the fuck up. We're interested in developing the craziest next level shit.
Catch the belt, catch the belt. Shoo! Yeah, yeah.